Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. In these days, there is a trending dresses line which we brought today for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet dresses. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. And also don't forget to press bell icon so that you can find all type of new videos notifications. Here are some benefits of crochet dresses. The first and the main one is unique design. You can create a one-of-a-kind garment tailored to your style. Creative expression. Crochet allows for personal creativity and artistic expression. Custom fit. You can customize the size and fit to your specific measurements. Variety of styles. Choose from numerous styles from casual to formal. Color option. Select any color or combination that suits your taste. Textural variety. Different stitches and yarn create unique texture. Eco-friendly. Using natural fiber can be more sustainable than fast fashion. Therapeutic. The repetitive motion can be meditative and reduce stress. Skill development. Enhances fine motor skills and coordination. Portable hobby. Easy to take with you anywhere for crafting on the go. Community engagement. Connect with fellow characters through club and online groups. Cost effective. Can be cheaper than buying a similar quality dress. Learning opportunity. Challenges you to learn new techniques and stitches. Year-round wear. Create dress suitable for any season by adjusting the yarn. Durability. Handcrafted items can often be more durable than mass production garments. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. And if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. Custom lengths. You can modify the length to your preferences from mini to maxi. Versatile layering. Crocheted dresses can be laid over other clothing for different looks. Memorable gift. A handmade dress makes a special gift for loved ones. Increase satisfaction. Wearing something you made can boost self-esteem. Historical craft. Engage with a craft that has a rich history and tradition. Endless patterns. Access to a vast array of patterns and tutorials online. Social media sharing. Showcase your creations on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. With a happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. The dress currently ongoing now. It's really very fantastic. So keep in touch our videos. Thank you very much.